Hello, and welcome to RSR Rundown, a series of helpful videos created to assist you in navigating student loan repayment by Ready, Set, Repay, the student loan repayment initiative of the Oklahoma College Assistance Program and the Oklahoma State Regents for Higher Education. Today we're talking about Parent Plus loans, a type of federal loan that can be taken out by parents during the financial aid process in order to help pay for their students' college education. Unlike co-signing for a loan for their student, this type of federal direct loan is granted to the parent, and they are solely responsible for paying the loan back, regardless of whether or not the student finishes their degree. The loan cannot be transferred to the student at a later date. While it may seem like a good option to fill a funding gap when trying to help your student meet their goals, it's a decision parents need to consider carefully before signing on the dotted line. First, consider your eligibility. Unlike federal loans taken out by the student, Parent Plus loans require a credit check. If you have an adverse credit history, you may need a co-signer or to submit documentation of extenuating circumstances shown on your credit report. The good news is, interest rates for all types of federal loans are determined by the U.S. Department of Education, so the rate won't fluctuate based on your credit score and will remain the same for the life of the loan. Also, pay careful attention to fees associated with your Parent Plus loan. Many private loans have fees as well. A loan fee is generally deducted from the balance of the loan before the money is disbursed. That means once the funds make it to your student's account, the total amount available may be less than what you expected. You'll also want to consider your repayment timeline and deferment options. Unlike federal direct student loans, which are automatically deferred while the student is in college, parents need to apply for deferment during the application process, or they will be responsible for making payments as soon as the funds are released to the student. Additionally, Parent Plus loans are only eligible for the standard, graduated, and extended repayment plans, and will continue to accumulate interest after disbursement, even if the loan is deferred. It's important to remember that these loans are limited to only the cost of attendance, which is determined by the college, minus any other financial assistance the student received from scholarships and other financial aid. Funds are applied directly to the student's account, and if there are any remaining funds available, with the parent's permission, those funds are given back to the student. If you've determined that a Parent Plus loan is best for your financial situation, you'll need to follow the application process outlined by your student's campus to receive the funds. Every institution has a set of steps that must be taken before the money is disbursed. If you have campus-specific questions about this process, contact the College Financial Aid Office. Thank you for joining us for this episode of RSR Rundown. For more student loan management tips, check out our website, readysetrepay.org.